Good day to all of you students. Today we will take up in this video numericals on convex and concave mirror. I have written the question for you. A convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile. This word is not automobile, it is automobile. You can say mobile, but when you say with automobile, it is not automobile, it is automobile. Anyway, a convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. So children, first of all note that it is a convex mirror. So convex mirror means the focal length and radius will be positive. That is what you have to understand. So radius of curvature will be plus 3 meter. Mention the sign because it is a convex mirror. If a bus is located at 5 meter from the mirror, naturally the bus will be in the front of mirror like this. That is a convex mirror. We think like this. This is the pole. R will be here. Please understand. Center of curvature, and focus will be here. So this radius R is given to me as 3. That is 3 meter. And the bus is located at how much distance? See, 5 meter. So here is the bus, means our object, at distance of 3 meter. I think like this. So we have to find the position, nature and size of image. So children, when R is given to me as 3, we already know that F is R upon 2. That will be 3 upon 2. That will be 1.5 meter. Object distance, see incident rays are going like this. Always as I told you. So U will be taken negative. So U is minus 3 meter. What is V, that we have to find out. So we know the formula very well for mirrors. 1 upon U plus 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F. We put the values. U is minus 3 plus 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F. 3 by 2. Or you can put 1.5, so that is okay. So 1 upon V becomes, this minus will go to that side. 1 upon 3 plus 2 by 3. 2 goes up. So 1 upon V will be 3 upon 3, that is 1. So V will be 1 meter. That means the image will be 1 meter at distance of 1 meter from the pole. Now V is coming out to be positive. So V is positive, that means image is somewhere over here. See, this is 3 meter, so this will be 1.5. This is 1, the image is somewhere over here at distance of 1 meter. Okay, so V is 1 meter, it is positive. I told you how to decide the nature of image. V is positive, that means image is on this side. So whenever V is positive, image is virtual. Because V is positive, image is virtual. I told you what will the sign of V decide, what will the sign of M decide, all those things I have told you. So because V is positive, matlab image is behind the mirror, so it is virtual. So he is telling us find the position, nature. Nature is what? Virtual. Now let us find out magnification. That is minus V upon U. Minus V means minus 1 upon. U is 3 meter. So U is minus 3 for us. Because U we have to take minus 3. So this is 1 by 3. So M is positive, which is actually M equal to HI upon HO. That is 1 by 3, that is positive. H is always positive. Therefore HI will be positive. Therefore HI positive. So once HI is positive, that means image is erect. Therefore image is erect. Please understand how to decide erect or inverted from the sign of HI. If HI is positive, the image is erect. If HI is negative, image is inverted. So virtual है, erect है. So this is not real, this is not inverted. And then diminished or enlarged. So M is coming out to be 1 upon 3. And I told you therefore find out mod. This is less than 1. Therefore HI upon HO less than 1. I told you get the value of mod M. If it is more than 1, that means HI upon H will be more than 1. If mod M is less than 1, then HI upon H will be less than 1. You will think like this. So you can directly write, because mod m is less than 1, therefore image is diminished. I told you that day how to decide whether image is enlarged or diminished. If mod n comes out to be more than 1, then image will be enlarged. If mod n comes out to be less than 1, then image will be diminished. And if you want to find the size of the bus, so we know that m is hi upon ho. M with 3 is 1 by 3. What is the size of bus? Is it given? No, that is not given. So well, we cannot find out. If height of object is given, then using m we can find out height of image, like this. Please pause and copy, children. Please pause and copy. The second one is that, children, an object 4 centimeter in size. So object size is given to us as 4 centimeter. So we write HO plus 4 centimeter. Why plus? Because we assume object will be always erect in front of mirror. That I told you when I was teaching the theory part. Is placed 25 centimeter in front of concave mirror. So object is in 25 centimeter in front of concave mirror. So maybe this is the concave mirror, like this over here. So this may be F, this may be C, and is the focal length given somewhere of the mirror or radius of curvature? Yeah, it is given. Focal length is 15. So see, this is the pole. You write this as 0. This will be minus 15. This will be minus 30. R will be 2 times F. So write like this. Below P you write 0, then minus 15 and minus 30. Where is object located? 25 centimeter. 25 will be here in between. So object is somewhere over here. Minus 25. We think like this. So object distance is U minus 25. This is F for me, minus 15. And this is R for me, minus 30. We can write like this also for our convenience. At what distance from the mirror screen should be placed? That means we want the image on screen. That means we want real image. So real image will come somewhere over here only. So we will keep the screen where image is formed. That means when he is asking us at what distance we have to place the screen, that means he is asking us the position of real image. So what have we to find out? We have to find out V. Wherever the real image will be found, we will place the screen over there and a sharp image will be focused over there. At what distance from the mirror screen should be placed to obtain sharp image? Discuss nature of image and focal length of concave mirror, 15 centimeter, that is given. So all these things are given to us. F is given, U is given, R is given, we have to find out V. So formula is 1 upon U plus 1 upon U is 1 upon F. So 1 upon U means minus 25 is equal to 1 upon F, F is minus 15. So 1 upon V becomes equal to, see 1 upon 25 goes there, it becomes positive. 1 upon 25 minus 1 upon 15. So 1 upon V becomes, I take LCM. 25 and 15, LCM I can take 75. I think you can understand. Find out LCM of 25 and 15, that will be 75. So 75, it will go 3 times, because 75 and 25, 3 ones are 3. 75 5 times. So this is minus 2 upon 75. So we will be minus 75 upon 2. We will be minus 37.5 centimeter. That means minus 37.5. 0, minus 15, minus 30 somewhere over here. Image. At distance of minus 37.5. This is image. So where should the screen be placed? The screen should be placed at distance of 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror. Right like this. To get the sharp image. We have to discuss nature of image. About nature of image I told you. V is coming out to be minus 37.5. And this value is less than 0. Therefore, image is real. Okay? Whenever V is negative, image will be real. Whenever V positive, image will be virtual. That I told you already. Keep that in mind. What is magnification? Minus V upon U. So minus V 37.5. U, that is minus 25. So 3 minus the 1 minus will remain with me. So this becomes 375 upon 250 multiplied by 10. Then cut by 15, 25 sorry. So 25 will go how many times? I think 15 times. And this will be 10 times. So minus 3 by 2 m. So m is minus 3 by 2 and m is hi upon ho. So m I am getting as minus 3 by 2 less than 0. So whenever magnification is negative, therefore image is inverted. See children, I will tell you one thing over here. You may be misguided that whenever image is real, it will be inverted. Please don't fall into the false traps. When you come to 12th, all these fundas will go. You will be in trouble. To learn the correct concepts, how to decide whether image is inverted or erect from the sign of M. This method will never fail that I am teaching you, but shortcuts may fail you. So, image is inverted that we can make out. And whether it is enlarged or diminished, value of M is minus 3 by 2. So, mod M will be 3 by 2, which is more than 1. 3 by 2 means 1.5, this value is more than 1. Whenever mod M is more than 1, therefore, image is enlarged. Whenever mod M is less than 1, image will be diminished. These things you have to keep in mind. Please pause and copy. Next one we are having, children. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image. See, concave mirror is there, therefore focal length will be negative. That is very clear to us. As soon as we see concave mirror, we write f less than 0. Magnification is 3 times. So children, you would like to write immediately m is 3 because magnification is 3 times. Now see what happens with this type of language. M is 3 and this is also hi upon ho. Ho is always positive, that you know. So therefore positive upon positive will be positive, because if hi is negative, then negative upon positive cannot be positive. That means hi is positive. Hi is positive means image is erect. When hi height of image is positive, image is erect. If hi is negative, height of image is negative, it is inverted, that we know. So hi is positive over here. That means this is your concave mirror, please pay attention. This is the pole, this is the focus, center of curvature. Children, you know that erect image can be obtained with the help of concave mirror only when you keep your object over here and then image you get like this, magnified image. This is hi. But then your hi is positive, it is behind the mirror, so it is a virtual image. But here we have been said magnified real image. So that means this case is wrong what we are thinking. We want a real image should be in front of mirror, it should be here. So that means situation should be like this. This is pole, focus and center of curvature. I know to get real image, I should give object anywhere over here, not in this much region. If I keep here, then my image will be virtual and erect. If I keep anywhere over here, then only I will get real image. Then only I will get real image. So supposing I keep my object over here, supposedly, and I think it is told to me, image placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. So it has to be beyond focus, that is very clear to us. It cannot be here. So now it can be between F and C, it can be on C, it can be beyond C, anywhere. But just imagine it is over here. So this is minus 10 object position. This is U for me. So image will be found beyond this. Now because I am taking object over here, image will be here. If you take object over here, image will be here, that you already know. So I just took one example, supposing object is here. The image will be here, this is I position. We want to find out where is the image located. So children, I know that if this is not the case definitely. So this is my HO and this is my HI. Now I can see HO is plus and HI is minus, inverted. So magnification, which is HI upon HO, it should be negative. Plus upon minus, minus upon plus. One is minus, one is plus. So therefore magnification is not 3 but minus 3. Please note properly. While looking at the language, magnification is 3 times. Without thinking, children write m equal to 3 and they come to wrong answers. You have to think very hard and then realize okay, what is m. So m is minus 3, not 3. So this is wrong. And m I know that is minus v upon u. So v will become 3u. U is minus 10. So v will be minus 30 centimeter. So where is the image located? 30 centimeter from the pole. It is not asked, but if I want the focal length, I can easily calculate 1 upon u plus 1 upon e is 1 upon f. 1 upon minus 10 plus minus is equal to 1 upon f. Multiply by 3. So minus 3 upon 30 minus 1 upon 30 equal to 1 upon f. Minus 4 upon 30 equal to 1 upon f. So f will be minus 30 upon 4. F will be minus 7.5 centimeter. Divide and check. So this is 0 point. This is minus 7.5, minus 10. This will be minus 15, and this is minus 30. So 0, minus 7.5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 30. Number line going like this. So focal length is how much? Minus 7.5. Because V is coming out to be negative, image is on the front of mirror, therefore it is real image. So V is equal to minus 30 centimeter less than 0, therefore image is real. Image is real. Magnification equal to minus 3, which is less than 0. Therefore HI upon HO less than 0. Therefore image is inverted because HI will be less than 0. Image is inverted. Image is real. Of course it is enlarged because it is already told image is 3 times magnified. So we don't mention that. Please pause and copy, children. Now an object is placed at distance of 10 centimeter. An object is placed at distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15. Convex mirror, so focal length has to be positive. So focal length will be, how much it is given? Plus 15. Mention this plus sign. And you can write over here because it is a convex mirror. Therefore focal length is positive. So this is the convex mirror. Like this, there will be F over here and C over here, pole over here. This is 0, this will be 15, this will be 30. Positive side. This is positive X. Object is placed at a distance of 10. So here is the object minus 10. This is the object. We want the position of image. Very easy. Formula we know. So 1 upon minus 10 plus 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 15 plus 15. Focal length, convex mirror. So 1 upon V becomes 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. 15 and 10 LCM 30. So I write 3 upon 30 multiplying by 3 and 2 over here. So 1 upon V becomes 5 upon 30. So 1 upon 6. So V is equal to 6 centimeter. V is coming out to be plus 6. So image is somewhere over here. At this 0, 6, 15, 30. As if on a number line, you mark the points. So children, image is 6 centimeter, which is positive. Therefore image is virtual. Whenever image distance is coming out to be positive, image has to be virtual. Okay, then what will be m? Minus v upon u. So minus 6 upon minus 10. That will be 3 by 5. So m is coming out to be positive. M is positive. That means hi upon ho is positive. Therefore hi is positive. Therefore image is erect. See how I am writing the things. Like this you write. Image is erect. And if you want the magnification, we have got magnification as 3 by 5. Mod m is 3 by 5. This is less than 1. 3 by 5 means 0.6. It is less than 1. So mod m less than 1. Therefore, image is diminished. I told you if mod m is more than 1, then image will be enlarged. If mod m less than 1, then image is diminished. Like this you have written all the points. Please pause and copy, children. Few more sums, children. See. Magnification of a plane mirror is +1. What does it mean? It means that sum is easy and we will quickly get the marks. So let us check. Magnification is +1, and you know magnification is always hi upon ho. So that means hi will be equal to ho. Therefore, height of image is equal to height of object. पहली बात तो ये होगी कि height of image and height of object are equal. So image size and object size are equal. That is one point. Then we also know that m is for mirror minus v upon u, and that is 1 given to me. So minus v equal to u, so v equal to minus v u. That means if we see the magnitude, supposing u is 30, so v will be minus 30. If u is minus 10, v will be minus 10 to 10. That means v and u are of opposite sign. That means if this is the mirror, object is always in front of mirror. So this is u for me, which is always less than 0. So if u is less than 0, minus u will be always positive. So v will be here. Because v has to be positive. Because u is negative, so minus u will be positive. So v will be positive. Positive means on this side. That means this will be v. So v equal to minus u, and u always less than 0, because we are talking of real object. I told you for real object will be in front of mirror, and therefore u will be always negative. Therefore minus u will be greater than 0, multiplying with minus. So v will be positive. Therefore image behind the mirror, therefore image is virtual. The image is virtual because v is positive, and v equal to minus u implies object distance is equal to image distance. That means whatever is the distance of object, the same is the distance of image from the mirror. We think like this. So these three conclusions we get by thinking that m is equal to +1 for a plane mirror. So magnification by a plane mirror is +1. Understand? Okay. Please pause and copy. Please pause and copy. Please pause and copy. Three conclusions we get, not only one. The next one, an object 5 cm in length, that means size of object is 5 cm. Object size is always positive, so I write +5. At 20 cm in front of convex mirror, so it is traced in front of convex mirror, so u will be -20. Whether it is convex or concave mirror, object is always in front of mirror, therefore u will be always negative. Radius of curvature is 30 cm for a convex mirror. Convex mirror, the focal length and radius will be positive, therefore r will be equal to plus, how much it is given? 30. So F will be R upon 2, that will become plus 15 centimeter. So discuss the image found. Very easy. 1 upon U plus 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon U will be 1 upon 20. 20 and 50 LCM will be 60. So I can see 3 upon 60 plus 4 upon 60. 3 से multiply किया, 4 से multiply किया. So 1 upon V becomes 7 upon 60. So V becomes 60 upon 7 centimeter. Don't divide because 7 cannot divide exactly the number 60. So keep it in fractions. So V will be plus 60 upon 7 centimeter. We think like this. So V is coming out to be 60 upon 7 plus. So it is positive. So V is positive. मतलब image is behind the mirror. Image is virtual because it is behind the mirror. Because V is positive. V is positive, that means it is behind the mirror, and behind the mirror means it is virtual. What is magnification? Minus V upon U. So minus 60 upon 7 upon U is minus 20. So M becomes minus minus cut. 21s are 3s are. So this becomes 3 upon 7. So magnification is 3 upon 7, which is HI upon HO, and that is positive. M equal to 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 is positive, that means HI upon HO is positive. Therefore HI is positive, that means image erect because HI is positive. Image is erect. And then finally M is given to me as 3 by 7. So mod M will be 3 by 7, this number is less than 1. So mod M less than 1, therefore image is diminished. Image is small as compared to object. Image is diminished. And if you want to draw the ray diagram, we can have things like this. Convex mirror, yes. This is F, this is C, this is pole. Pole always at 0. This is positive X. This was 30, so this will be 15. Object was here at how much distance? Minus 20. Image is formed at how much distance? V is 60 upon 7, means 8 point something, somewhere over here. So this is the position of the object, image, focus and center of curvature. Please pause and copy, children. Now the last one written in margin. An object of size 7 centimeter. So size of object is 7 centimeter, means HO is plus 7 centimeter. Object is placed at distance of 27 centimeter. Object distance is 27. So U is equal to minus 27. U always negative. Concave mirror focal length has to be negative. F equal to minus 18. Because it is concave mirror. So what is the situation like? If I draw the rough diagram, always you should draw it to understand the positions. See, this is 0, this is minus 18, this will be minus 36. This is double of focal length. Where is object? Minus 27. 27 comes between here. So object will be here, minus 27. So 1 upon U plus 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F. One upon 27 minus 1 upon 18. 54 will be LCM. So 2 upon 54 minus 3 upon 54 minus 1 upon 54. So V becomes minus 54 centimeter. So V is coming out to be negative. That means image is on this side, therefore it is real. Therefore real image. V less than 0, therefore real image. What is magnification? Minus V upon U. So V is minus 54, U is minus 27, 3 minus, so this is minus 2. and that is HI upon HO. So HI upon HO is negative. Minus 2 means negative. Therefore HI will be less than 0. Therefore image will be inverted because HI is less than 0. Image will be inverted. M is minus 2. Mod M is 2 more than 1. Therefore image enlarged. Image enlarged. And I know that M is equal to minus V upon U and M is equal to HI upon HO. Therefore HI upon HO becomes minus V upon U. HI we want if at all. HO is given to me as 7. V is given to me as minus 54. U is minus 27. So HI upon 7. This is minus 2. HI is minus 14 centimeter. The height of image is minus 14 centimeter. Like this, we write all these things. Please pause and copy each other. Children, 3 more sums. For a curved spherical mirror, prove that M is F upon F minus U, where symbols have their usual meaning. M is magnification, F is focal length, and U is the object distance. तो देखो, we know that 1 upon U plus 1 upon V is 1 upon F. तो 1 upon V will be 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. So if I take UF as LCM, so U goes over here and minus F. So V becomes UF upon U minus F. Take U over here. This becomes F upon U minus F. Minus V upon U will be change the sign. F upon changing the sign F minus U. And this is formula for magnification minus V upon U. तो M कितना आ गया? M is equal to F upon F minus U. Like this we can derive. Okay, children. So very easy. You can see it. Next is where should a boy stand before a convex mirror? Convex mirror के आगे बच्चे को कितना खड़ा रहना चाहिए? किस दूरी पे खड़ा रहना चाहिए? Where he should stand? That means we are looking for object distance. Where should the boy stand? We want object distance. A convex mirror of focal length 50 centimeter, so that he appears half in height. So he should appear half in height. A convex mirror is given like this. Children, you know that with the help of convex mirror, whenever object is real like this, then image is always found between the pole and focus, and it is always diminished. That also we know. This is HI and this is HO. So with the help of convex mirror, whenever the object will be real, whenever it will be before the mirror, diminished image will be found, erect image will be found, virtual image will be found between pole and focus. That we already know. He says that the boy should appear of half the height. That means whatever is the actual height, this should appear half. That means HI should be HO upon 2. Now understand this equation is correct because HI, HO both have got same sign. Both are positive because both are erect. So this is correct. Otherwise, you will have to introduce minus sign. If one is inverted, one is erect. HI equal to HO upon 2 means whatever is the sign of HO, that will be the sign of HI. So HO is plus always, so HI also plus. Is it correct? Yes, correct. Because with the help of convex mirror, we are always getting virtual and erect image we are getting. So that means HI upon HO is half for me, and that is M. That we know. This is magnification. So magnification is half, and that is minus V upon U. That also we know. So cross multiply, U becomes minus 2V. And now we use the formula 1 upon U plus 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon minus 2V plus 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F. Focal length is how much, children? It is given to us. Plus 50 because it is a convex mirror, the focal length plus. So I take, what I do is, this is minus 1 upon 2V plus 2 upon 2V equal to 1 upon 50. Denominators are same. Minus 1 plus 2 will be 1. So 1 upon 2V will be 1 upon 50. तो 2v will be 50, so v will be 25 centimeter. This will be the image position. U is minus 2v, so u will be minus 2 into 25, that will be minus 50 centimeter. So u minus 50 matlab from here 50 centimeter, that should be the position of boy. Or directly I just now proved before you, m is f upon f minus u. Shortcut we have proved according to first question. Magnification required is half, so I put over here half. Focal length is how much? It is given to me 50 minus u. So 50 minus u is equal to 100. Take your 100 over here. So minus 50 go to u. Directly we can get. Therefore, this formula is very important. It can be very useful many times. See, instead of going all these things, directly using this we got u. Please pause and copy, children. Okay, the last one here having now. A real image is obtained by concave mirror. Children, if a image is real with the help of concave mirror, it will be inverted. So, image is real, therefore hi is less than 0, and therefore m, which is hi upon ho, will be less than 0, because this will be negative, this will be positive. This ratio will be negative, so m will be less than 0. A real image obtained by concave mirror is 4 times bigger than object. Image is 4 times object, so you may think magnification is 4 times, so always write first plus minus 4 and then decide about the sign. Magnification is 4 times because image is 4 times object. We have already written m less than 0, so we write m is equal to minus 4, not 4, because we know magnification is negative, because hi is negative, because image is real. Image is real, so it is inverted. Inverted means hi less than 0. Hi upon ho will be negative ratio. Magnification will be negative. Image is 4 times object, so m is plus 4 or minus 4. It has to be taken minus 4. Then children, you know that m is equal to minus v upon u, and that will be minus 4. So v will become 4u. This equation also correct, because u and v will have same sign, because this is the situation, pole is here, focus is here, center of curvature here. If the image is real, I am definitely standing beyond the focus. I cannot stand over here. Otherwise, the image will be here, it will be virtual. Image is real means I am anywhere over here. V is 4 times u, the supposing object is here. So this will be u, and v is 4 times, so v will be somewhere over here. Image. So this will be v. So v will be 4 times u, bigger than this. Okay, fine. We understand where is u, where is v, image, probable things we decide. It is not necessarily object will be between f and c. It can be anywhere, but it is definitely beyond the focus, that we know for sure. Okay. But I'll tell you one thing, object cannot go beyond this. It has to be here only. Why? Think. Anyway, v equal to 4u we got. 1 upon u plus 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f. So 1 upon u plus 1 upon 4u will be 1 upon f. V is 4u. So 4 upon 4u plus 1 upon 4u is 1 upon f. 4 plus 1, 5. So f becomes 4u upon 5. Equation 2. Now what happens? If the object is displaced 3 cm away from mirror, it goes beyond the mirror. Therefore, it is still behind the focus. The image will be again real. New position of object beyond focus. Therefore, new image real and inverted. Therefore, hi dash less than 0. New image that is inverted, hi dash less than 0. So new magnification, hi dash upon ho. See, ho is not changing, object is not changing. Hi dash means new image, m dash means new magnification. This is negative, this is positive, that also will be less than 0. The image size becomes 3 times object, means magnification m dash is plus minus 3. Now we have decided it is less than 0, therefore m dash is minus 3. This will be minus v dash upon u dash. New object position, new image position. Object changes, image also changes. So v dash and u dash. So v dash becomes 3u dash. Third equation. So 1 upon u dash plus 1 upon v dash. See, focal length won't change. Only object is changing position. Focal length will not change. So 1 upon u dash plus 1 upon 3u dash is equal to 1 upon f. So 3 upon 3u dash, that is 1 upon f. So 4 upon 3u dash is 1 upon f. F will be 3u dash upon 4. Equation number 4. Now comparing 2 and 4. Comparing 2 and 4. I understand that 4u upon 5 will be 3u dash upon 4. So 16u equal to 15u dash. I get relation between old object distance and new object distance. U is old object distance, u dash is new object distance. Now children, please understand very nicely. This was the situation, here was the object, this was u. Object came back a distance of 3 centimeters. So this became u dash total. Object moved over here 3 centimeter, so this became new u dash. It is happening like this. This is pole. Now children, I know that o dash p distance will be o dash o plus op. ठीक है ना? This will be this plus this. Okay. Distance is always positive, whereas u dash can be negative also, and in fact they are negative also only. O dash p is distance, so that will be mod of u dash. Mod because distance cannot be negative. So we are putting modulus. You have heard about modulus. Is equal to o dash, that is mod of 3, op mod of u. Now children, we know that modulus x is minus x when x is negative. Modulus x is minus x for x being negative, and mod x is x when x is greater than equal to 0. तो mod के अंदर एक नेगेटिव नंबर हो तो mod हट जाएगा, बाहर माइनस आ जाएगा, और मॉड्यूलस के अंदर जो नंबर रखा है अगर वो पॉजिटिव है, देखो x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0, तो मॉड्यूलस हट जाएगा, खाली x रह जाएगा. तो जब मॉड्यूलस के अंदर नेगेटिव नंबर होता है x लेस देन 0, मॉड्यूलस के अंदर नेगेटिव नंबर है, मॉड्यूलस हटाएंगे तो बाहर माइनस लगा देंगे, और अगर x पॉजिटिव होगा मॉड्यूलस के अंदर होगा तो मॉड्यूलस हट जाएगा, कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. मुझे पता है u डैश और u नेगेटिव है, तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस u डैश इज इक्वल टू 3, और ये भी u नेगेटिव है तो माइनस u. 3 का मॉड तो 3 रहेगा, u नेगेटिव है तो माइनस u, u डैश नेगेटिव है तो मॉड माइनस लाइक दिस. तो u डैश बिकम्स इक्वल टू माइनस 3 प्लस u, साइन चेंज कर दिया. इक्वेशन नंबर, ये मेरे पास आ गई थी इक्वेशन 5 और ये आ गई थी 6. अब इस 6 को 5 में यूज कर लें, 16u becomes equal to 15 minus 3 plus u. तो 16u is equal to minus 45 plus 15u, तो u मेरे पास minus 45 सेंटीमीटर आ गया. ये ओल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस था जो पहले से मेरे पास था, इसको मिटा देता हूं सम कंप्लीट करने के लिए, इसकी जरूरत नहीं रही है. u जैसे ही मेरे पास आ गया इसको मैं पुट कर देता हूं सेकंड में या कहीं भी f वाली इक्वेशन में. मेरे पास u आ चुका है, f is 4u upon 5, 4 into minus 45 upon 5, 5 ones are 5, 9s are, तो minus 36 centimeter. This is the focal length of the mirror, like this. Please pause and copy, and that is all for today. Thank you so much.